Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install WordPress theme from zip file. This is one of the easiest tutorial if you follow every single step. And as you can see, we are looking at WordPress admin section right now, and we are at dashboard of it. So what you're going to do now, just find the theme menu over here. Obviously, you cannot see that over here. Why? Because you will find that under appearance. Once you click on appearance, it would take you to the themes, and these are the themes which I have right now for my WordPress. There are three themes which I have already downloaded. So what you're going to do now, just click on add new now, and after that you will see that at the top we have upload theme, and these are the themes which WordPress suggested us, but right now obviously we need to upload it. I can do, just click on upload theme and choose a file. Once I click on the choose a file, you can see I have a zip file of Astra. I can just click on it and click on install. Once you click on install, you need to wait for some few minutes, and after that, after some time, it will be activated. So wait for a while. As you can see, I have installed the theme and I have three options: live preview, activate, or go to theme. So as you can see, it didn't activate right now because if we activate it, it would change our website. So let's just see that we can see this Astra theme in our themes menu, right? So just click on themes. Let's see it is available or not. And as you can see, we have installed our theme over here. This is the Astra theme which we have recently installed through zip file. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to install WordPress theme through zip file. This is one of the easiest way you can use, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.